It's 6:44 now to the legal landscape. Our legal analyst, attorney Dan Adams, joins us every Monday breaking down the biggest cases happening across Wisconsin and the country. Good morning, Dan. We're going to start this morning talking about Sean Diddy Combs. He is sitting in jail on federal sex trafficking and racketeering charges. Having been detained earlier this month, are there any updates on this case? I'm anticipating a trial is going to take a while to get to.
Sure, and good morning. Diddy Combs has been in custody for about 10 days now. On the federal system, he has a 70-day speedy trial time limit. So if he wanted to, and his lawyers thought it was a good idea, they could essentially push the gas and have this case given that 10 days have elapsed already, in about 62 days. That would require all of the motion work, all of the reviewing of discovery, everything that you do to lead up to trial to be done in that short time period. Now, we know that that is very unusual because the federal government has been investigating this for literally years and the defense is playing catch up. But if he wanted to, he could have this trial before the end of the year. We know also that the Southern District of New York has said that this is an ongoing investigation. They're continuing to interview potential witnesses. We know a lot of the conduct happened at big parties. So we imagine there's a lot of people who may have seen some of the conduct at issue. In other big cases like this, think about Harvey Weinstein. People came out of the woodwork after the initial charges. They may have been reluctant to come out and say, I was a victim too. But at this point, we could probably expect those type of people to alert authorities that they have information relevant to Sean Combs's case.
Yeah, it could be interesting to see what celebrities may step forward to say they have something to say. Also, on Friday, the Wisconsin Supreme Court ruled that Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s name will remain on the state's presidential ballot. Dan, can you explain the court's reasoning here?
Yeah, this was a unanimous court order, which means all of the Wisconsin justices signed on to this order saying, no, RFK, you are on the ballot. We don't see a lot of unanimous court decisions by our Supreme Court, given how partisanly divided it is. But in this case, that's what happened. It's a very clear statute that says once a party candidate submits their nomination papers, unless they die, they're going to be on that ballot. We also know that some absentee ballots have already been printed, and indeed some have already been sent out to voters. So for what RFK was asking for, which was to be removed from the ballot by the WEC, that was not practical, and it was just not borne out by what the law says, which is you're on the ballot, buddy.
Yeah, a big update in that case. Dan, thanks so much for joining us. We'll see you again next Monday for more of the legal landscape.